Every day, Mohawk Flooring and Performance Accessories are installed in homes around the country. Through the expertise and hard work of professional installers, boxes and rolls of our high-performance products are transformed into foundations that we all live, work, and play on.
We can put the industry's most advanced technologies into our flooring and accessories, but at the end of the day, we need qualified installers to get our products into people's homes and businesses. Innovations aren't much use sitting in a box in a warehouse.
The national shortage of professional flooring installers is hindering the entire industry. We project a deficit of 6,000 to 10,000 installers every year for the next 10 years.
We need to reach more young people to convince them that the flooring installation trade can provide a stable and lucrative career. And we need to support our novice installers, making sure they not only get well trained in basic skills, but also encouraging them to continue their education to develop a deeper understanding of all the technical aspects of the job.
As the world's leading flooring manufacturer, Mohawk is committed to helping find solutions for the installation crisis. We are actively building relationships with skilled installers from across the country to learn how we can best help them succeed in their markets. And we proudly support CFI and its members, working side by side to help recruit and educate a new generation of installers. Each year, Mohawk hosts education sessions and product demonstrations at trade shows and conventions, allowing installers to hone their skills and gain a working knowledge of the latest products. This year, both our wood and laminate and our performance accessory teams are going to roll up our own sleeves and participate in CFI's 2-day training course. We believe the best way to show our commitment is with action. And we know to enhance our products, we need to better understand the challenges of installation.
By donating flooring and accessories for our training courses, offering education sessions, and sponsoring industry events, Mohawk helps energize the whole industry to get behind our initiatives. And it's going to take the whole industry coming together to rebuild a robust network of expert installers.
The flooring industry is a close-knit community, and installers are the hands and heart of that community. We at Mohawk are committed to doing our part in educating new installers and supporting current installers in the pursuit of excellence. It's the only way forward.